Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Derek here of DH Cosplay, here to talk to you about my absolutely amazing, just absolutely gorgeous Justice League suit from my friend Keith Howard at Arkham Workshop.
Tell me, do you bleed? You will.
Hey guys, Derek here, and I'm very excited to talk to you about a suit that I've been waiting for a very long time, but it was very much worth the wait, and that is the beautiful Justice League bat suit provided by, again, the amazing Keith Howard at Arkham Workshop. So I want to top this video off by a huge thanks to Keith for not only this amazing suit, but just for his communication throughout this whole process. This suit took a while to make, and it's not a knock against Keith at all. This was something I volunteered for because for those of you who remember, I did a bat suit comparison comparing his version 1 DOJ suit to some of the other suits that are commonly found on the market. Thank you guys to everyone who watched that, by the way, for all the nice comments. Originally, the idea was I was going to be buying two suits from Keith. So that lighter version that I have there for the version 1 that is currently my Batfleck Gear 1. That was going to be the DOJ suit. Then he was going to have a darker version with the armor plates and make it more Justice League. Well, after the suit got here, there were some things that I wasn't quite happy about, and there was also some things that he wasn't quite happy about. Keith is definitely a perfectionist. He wants the suits to be as best as they can possibly be, and I definitely can't fault the man for that. So he just kind of decided to kind of go back to the drawing board. He said, man, I'll be honest with you, I'm glad you like the suit. It does look good, but I feel like I could do better. So you know, he kind of gave me the option. You know, he can go ahead, you know, technically he already had the stuff to make my Justice League suit. He's like, I can go ahead and make it for you, but I really think that this next version is going to be much better. So if you're fine with waiting, you know, a little while longer, I think it'll be worth the wait. And so I decided, you know, hey, why not? I wasn't in a huge rush for the suit with this pandemic going on. Not really doing a lot of cons, haven't been doing a lot of birthday parties, so I wasn't in a huge demand for the suit. And two, I kind of was wanting to see what he came up with because, you know, just based on some of the things he was showing me, it was going to be a huge improvement, and boy, was it a huge improvement. My gosh. This is like a completely different, it's not even a different league, no pun intended, of course. It's a completely different game at this point. I think Keith has just absolutely knocked this out of the park. So it's definitely well worth the wait. I'm intentionally blocking the shot, and I'll let you guys see this thing in all its beauty here in just a second. But I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Keith for doing that, because a lot of makers will just take your money and just leave you alone for sometimes months at a time, and you're just kind of wondering, hey, you know, any updates? And that's not the case with Keith at all. He's been very good about making sure I know exactly what's going on, and I just really appreciate that because it's just very refreshing. You don't really get that a lot in this hobby, and so having someone as honest and upfront and with as much integrity as Keith has been really good, and this was absolutely worth the wait. So, and I'm very excited to be one of the first few people to get this suit and to kind of rep it for him and everything. So what I want to do now is show you the suit. This is also going to be a Justice League cosplay reveal. I've already kind of left some teasers for people here and there, but I wanted to go ahead and just do the full reveal and show you everything that goes into this suit. But the main point that I want to talk about is the suit itself. So that being said, let's take a closer look at this suit. So starting off at the top, we have the beautiful Justice League cowl made by my friends at Alter Ego Studios. I actually reviewed this and a few other products from them in my last video. Link will be in the description below. And then we have the beautiful cape by Cody Jenkins. You guys know that I use John for all of my capes, and this is his deluxe DOJ cape. Works really well for Justice League. I will be getting a specific Justice League cape in the near future, but for the time being, this will do the trick. Coming down to the beautiful urethane Justice League emblem, again made by Alter Ego Studios, and they did a great job casting that up, and it's just got really great detail with all the scratches, and the texture looks just like the screen used emblem. And then you're getting some more detail shots of the suit here, guys. This thing is just absolutely amazing, just movie quality stuff. Every single detail down to the scratches and the breaks and the texture, everything has been looked at and recreated perfectly in this suit. Then we have this belt made by the infamous Chris at Applied Science Division. Yeah, I may have to get another one at some point since Chris has lost his collective mind, so might have to look at something else. And moving on from that, I have these gauntlets here. The base gauntlets are actually Napiers. They are actually real leather gauntlets as opposed to urethane. And then the covers themselves are made by Fanatic Fx. I will be upgrading these in the near future just because there will be a far superior product available in the near future. Hint, hint. And then I have the Damascus gloves with the knuckles provided by JG Cosplay. Links to everyone's contact information will be in the description below, of course. And then I'm just going to let you see a little bit more of the suit here. Just see, I love how the light catches it, and it's just in a very cool, organic way. It has a really great sheen that the screen use suit has. And you're coming down, you can see the tattered edges of the cape. John did a great job really recreating the weathered bottom that the screen use cape had. And then you have the Ninko muscle boots. These are absolutely wonderful. I've had my opinions about Ninko and his work ethic and customer service in the past, but I've got to recognize when someone makes a genuinely great product, and these are great boots. But again, everything can be better, but I'm actually happy with how everything is right now. But there's always room for improvement, and I may or may not be privy to a product or a company that will be making some superior products in the near future. So without further ado, let's see what the suit looks like in action. So anyway guys, that has been my review of the amazing Justice League suit by Keith Howard at Arkham Workshop. Went ahead and showed you the other pieces as well. Now some of these I think look pretty good. I think the suit looks great as is, but there are some little things I'm wanting to improve here and there. Definitely looking at upgrading the gauntlets and the belt and possibly the boots in the near future. I just don't know where I should get those. If only there was a spot where you can just get all these products from one. Someone should definitely look into that. Anyway, I'll just kind of leave it at that. Feel free to leave a comment on this video if you have any questions about any of these products. Link in the description below for everyone's social media and contact information so you can get a suit just like this. And definitely feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, because I actually have a very special announcement for you guys that is actually kind of related to what you've seen today. So definitely be watching. It'd be really, really cool. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Come together.